Hello folks and welcome to 4 Season Backpacking. Please subscribe for the latest outdoor adventure videos.
Hello there folks, it's your host for Across Britain Way, day 7. This is where I wild camped last night, just by the village of Forge, or Forge, and just taking the tent down. And when I was charging my GoPro up last night, the hinge what you open up to charge the GoPro with come off the little door thing, so I had to stick a plaster over where that was to keep it waterproof still. I'm just going to take this tent down now anyway. Now, Breedon on the hill, Iron Age Hill Fort. I come up here yesterday, but I had to camp here yesterday just due to the there you can see the airport tower. I don't know if you can pick it up on the GoPro, it's quite far away. Just a bit of information about it. To all using this public footpath from room to another one, the correct path is clearly marked by signs. I think it's a lookout tower. Ah, it's an old windmill. This windmill dates back to 1798. It was built by Lord Melbourne. Just about to have some coffee because I've got loads of water and I'm going to be coming to a town soon. I just fancied a rest and get my bag a bit lighter. So, to make some coffee, I'm literally actually making coffee on the path in between two farmers' fields because there's sheep in there, there's a stall here, and then there's a partition from this field, so it's not actually on a farmer's field. Crazy. So yeah, I'm using the Kosovo spider stave again. I'm really happy with this stave, by the way. It's not cold at the moment, so water boils pretty quick. I've just been using it for boiling water for noodles and coffee, and then walking through a forest path that is overgrown with prickles and stinging nettles. This bit of the path could do with cutting, definitely. Bear in mind I've got to try and get my bag through here. It's wet. Luckily the fence is not electric, it's a deer fence. My bag is probably going to be shredded with these thorns. Ah, dude. Stinging nettles, thorns. A bit where I've got to try and avoid thorns, which is not easy because they're everywhere. So thorny nightmare. The back of my leg. Look at that, that's right in your face. It's probably going to stick on my back. It's my bag. So just coming into the next town, and apparently it's got a Tesco. Crawling along the path into the town on the Cross Breedon Way. Hopefully I haven't got to crawl all the way to Wales. I've just got a load of shopping on my back, crawling along. Hopefully no thistles in the ground, so that's what I'm trying to avoid at the moment. There was a diversion. Fortunately it's not free, you have to pay to go in the town of Ashby, and I'm on my way still, so I'm not stopping. So I was in Ashby, come along the path for Ashby, and there's a Tesco's to the side of the path I can't get to, so I had to walk a fair bit down, then come out on the main road, and I had to walk up to go to the Tesco, big superstore, great. So then I walk back, I've done my shopping. On the way out of Ashby, now I just found out as well, within, I don't know, about 10 kilometres from here, there's another Co-op supermarket, like, you know, a smaller one, but still it's enough, isn't it? So I've decided I'm probably just going to camp as soon as I see a good spot, because I've got enough stuff with me. What's the point in rushing? If I see a good camping spot, I'm putting my tent up and having a rest day. I'm just camping here at the moment, not far out of Ashby, just about a kilometre out of Ashby, in a forest park. So I've put my tent up over here, and I needed 22 kilos today, kilometres, not kilos, 22 kilometres today, not 30, but to be honest, I overloaded my bag in Ashby, spent about 40 quid on food. How ridiculous is that? What an idiot. And but I'm not lugging that all today. So today I thought, yeah, we'll make the most of it. We've pigged out on food and have a rest day. Ashby's just over there. It's quite a big town, fairly big town, and there's a little village just right next to here. So far I've just seen one dog walker and some other guy walking, but the weather's not great. I can't see people coming down here tonight. It's a bit, why would you, like, you know?
Wild camping in England is not a crime, in general. However, there can be localised restrictions. There's nothing in law to say you have a right to wild camp either.